Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily leave a note on Instagram. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Instagram application on your device and swipe right to go to the chat section. Simply click on drop a thought or sometime you might also see the option of current vibe. Click on it and type anything you want. In the note, you also have the option to share music. Choose anyone you like and share the music. After that, we have the option to share a prompt. You can write any question and share it on your notes. Mountain or beaches for an example. After that, once you share it, you will be able to see the number of responses in the notes section. As you can see the one response, so that is my question. After that, in the notes section, you also have the option to capture any moment. If you click on the camera option, you will be able to click a picture or take a video and share it. So that's it. That is how easily you can leave a note on Instagram. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.